BioCloud can be permanently mounted to a wall or installed on a movable base, like a mobile TV stand. This video will focus on permanently mounting a BioCloud to a wall in your office space. First, identify a space or spaces where individuals gather for a period of time and could be exposed to biotransmission. Common areas, training rooms, meeting rooms are logical placement for a BioCloud. Areas less impactful are highly transitory areas where individuals move through quickly, such as hallways, breezeways, or lobbies. Once a zone or area has been selected, next an appropriate place for the BioCloud needs to be determined. The BioCloud should be near a wall outlet and, if possible, near the return vent of the HVAC system. Try and avoid placing the BioCloud near regularly opened windows or entrances. Each BioCloud comes with a template that aligns with the mounting holes on the device. The bottom of the BioCloud should be 4 to 6 feet from the floor and at least 2 feet from the ceiling. If possible, align 2 of the holes in the template to the center of a stud for added mounting security. Any mounting holes that are not in a wooden stud should have an appropriate anchor for the wall material the BioCloud is mounting to. A BioCloud weighs approximately 40 pounds and needs appropriately sized anchors to support its weight. Once an ideal location has been chosen, use the template to mark the hole locations, and then drill and insert the anchors in the wall. Securely tighten with the correct torque setting for your wall anchors. Plug the BioCloud into the wall with the supplied power cord. Currently, only a North American cord is supplied, but speak to your distributor about obtaining the right power cord for your region. Follow the BioCloud manual to finish setting up the device. Please talk to your distributor if you have any more questions about setup or maintenance of your BioCloud.